Welcome to an episode of Battle Cats. Didn't mean to click that. It doesn't matter. I just want to show you guys the gameplay. I already beat Chapter 1 because Chapter 1 can get quite boring, in my opinion. Okay, so just send out a few cats to beat this level. Alright. This is my entire cat lineup. If you guys got any tips, please tell me. It'd be nice. Thank you. Let's send out UFO cat. And these are my three. There's two here on meat shields. This cat here is called Sexy Legs Cat. That's Giraffe Cat. That is a Swordsman Cat. That's Wool Cat, and that's Macho Cat. Oh, yeah, Gorilla. If you guys want to see the full game, just go check out a different YouTuber. I'm up to chapter 2, and it's kind of starting to struggle. Alright, so... Yeah, I did it! Wahoo! Alright. Didn't mean to go to chapter... Let's go to chapter 2. Alright. I don't have any energy left. Do I want to use the flag? Yeah, sure, I'll use the flag. Just so I can... No, actually, never mind. Alright, this is just a quick 2-minute video to show you a preview of what I'm going to be doing in tomorrow, which I'm going to do more of, because I have a whole lot more energy. Okay, well, this is the end of the episode. Alright, bye.